Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching from Samsung to Google Voice Typing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. A lot of people say that Google Voice Typing is much better than Samsung Voice Typing, and that it picks up a lot more of what you're saying. Follow these steps to switch from Samsung to Google Voice Typing. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap on General Management. Tap on Keyboard List and Default. Now you need to switch the toggle off to the right of Samsung Voice Input. And make sure the toggle is switched on to the right of Google Voice Typing. Now when you open your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon to start voice typing, you will see that it now says Google. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.